This metal printing is you can make complex parts.
This is the Coherent Creator. It's a metal laser powder bed fusion additive manufacturing machine. You start with a powder material, really small particles on the micron level. You spread a layer of that powder across, and then a high-powered laser beam comes in and melts the powder in whatever shape that you want. So you're building up a fully solid metal part one layer at a time. We're able to build shapes that you can't build any other way. So you're able to take the theory that you learn in your fluid dynamics class, and you can actually implement the theory into a design for something. There are machines like this that are making parts that are in airplanes now, and engines. So it's really a industrial, aerospace, medical, all those different kinds of applications and final parts. We're one of the first to get this actual machine. So anybody from the local industry or other universities can come and see this machine here and see the capability.
And if we can give training to our students, definitely these companies would be benefited, and the students would be basically graduating with the skill that is needed for the local industry.
As our students graduate and go out, in particularly Dayton is a hub of a lot of additive manufacturing companies. There's medical part suppliers, there's aerospace companies that are all using this technology. So we have students that are going out and graduating and getting jobs where they're specifically working with this. And having the ability to work with a metal machine in your undergraduate especially is something that's rare.